I don't know if y'all got any of that over the noise of the vehicle or not, but there it is. And if you didn't, you can always send your letters of complaint to 1963impala2dr. I had a long discussion with him yesterday about these things, and he said he is just delighted to answer any and all questions y'all might have about me. Just send your letter to 1963impala2dr. out in Washington State. Put a $100 bill in there, fold it up real small. In fact, fold it up like a paper airplane, because he likes to sail them around. You know, when he gets them. If you ever see his little office there, where he looks like he's just got a bunch of old cars, but he got secretaries and he's got a whole business office and he's got a huge conglomerate of electro analysis out there, and it's just littered with paper airplanes made out of $100 bills. So y'all just keep sending them out there, because what he wants to do is get a nice stack of them paper airplanes made out of $100 bills, because it gives a greenish glow to his room there, so when the cat comes in there, the cat can roll around in it. So that's about all I got to say about that. I may just transition. I like that word, transition. You see how I just slipped that in there? I may just transition right out into the garage today and consider what I want to do out there. And a lot of what I want to do out there might have, something to do with how I feel about it all. I might also go a whole new direction. I was thinking about buying me a for-real tripod. I mean, I don't have a for-real tripod, and I've got y'all sitting on what's called a monopod. Here, I'll show it to you. I'll pull y'all out. I'll show you. This is behind the scenes look. You know how on the TV shows they give you a behind the scenes look. See, here y'all are on this monopad stuffed in with a bunch of old gloves. See, they make just any old gloves either. Them high-tech YouTube gloves right there. You have to pay extra for them. And then this monopod, see, it ain't got but one leg. It's like a pirate tripod, except it's a monopod because it ain't got but one leg. It's like a Captain Hook tripod. And I made this little gumble of stuff here. That's what y'all sit in, y'all little camera thing. So, see, I had y'all over there tucked in behind the armrest, but I got to thinking, well, it might be about time. I used to have Mr. Pod around here. I was just asking 63 Impala about whatever happened to him the other day, because he runned off, and I think he went out there and runned off with some. I think 63 Impala had a gimbal. I think Mr. Pod and 63 Impala's gimbal runned off together to his green screen. He's got a green screen studio out there, and I think they was messing around in the green screen studio before they took off, and nobody's seen them since. So anyway, there's all of that. I can't imagine anything else I need to say about any of this right now, so I'm just going to let it go. Okay, I'll take my monopod and I'll take y'all, and we'll go. We might just make a detour, or as I said earlier, a transition out to the garage there, because I had some of Luke's. I also got some of Luke's. By the way, Luke is back from his top secret mission, and I can't tell y'all where he went because it wouldn't do for people to know, but I can just tell you it was very important. It was extremely important, whatever it was he was doing. But I was thinking about continuing to do some work on his truck, and I was also thinking about doing some rust work on this here Jeep. So I have a world of possibilities just awaiting me. See, what I was thinking I might do is take this truck body and put it on that truck frame, and so forth, and such and such and so, and such and such, and such and so. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. The biggest factor that prevents me from doing so is cold. It's a little cold out here, and sometimes I can stay out here amongst the cold for a while, but at a certain point it gets to feeling too chilly, and I don't like it anymore. I'm funny that way. I sure am. I hear snow falling out here. Falling off the roof, I suspect. Oh, there it goes. See there? You gotta be careful standing out there. You get snow falling on your head. Oh, joy.
Oh, the joy. Okay then. I need to find my rebel flag stickers too. I used to have, I'm going down south, and you really shouldn't go down south without some rebel flag stickers on your car. So maybe I can find me. I know I got some around here somewhere. They're not where I thought they was. They somewhere else. I'm not sure where. Oh, mercy sakes. Great ball of fire.